We are Shane and Annie, and this is part 3 of our road trip along the wild Atlantic Way. We explored the stunning island of Inishmore, I learned a new instrument, and our van breaks down once again.
And he's got a breakfast roll. We've got the goods.
These are like my favourite thing from Ireland. You have really invented something. So we've made it to the park up of the Aran Island Ferries. It's so easy to book your tickets through their website. The park up is €7 for the day, and now we are going to make our way to the ferry because I think it's somewhere over there. So let's go find it.
So today the weather is absolutely amazing once again.
It's sunny again.
the sea looks smooth, so hopefully there's going to be a smooth sailing.
I think it's only like
40 minutes. It feels like we're back at an airport or in 𝗙𝗧𝗧𝗧𝗧 harbour because there's people here with suitcases and everything going over to the island.
Our ferry is leaving from gate 2.
Terminal 1, gate 2.
We've got some seats here on the upper deck, and for those of you who have been watching the channel for a while, you'll remember that my last time in a boat with a peacock didn't end too well. So this time I have my hair through here, and hopefully it doesn't fly off like the last time when we were searching for basking sharks in Donegal. Doing this one for you?
I'll take this one.
There you go, ready to hit the road.
So we have made it off the ferry, and as soon as you step off the boat there is Aran Island bike hire here where you can rent out all different types of bikes, and today we have 2 electric bikes, so going around the island is going to be super easy for us, but you have to wear a helmet because it is compulsory with electric bikes. So if you're coming to the island, make sure to check out Aran Island bike hire to get your bikes just like this.
It's so much fun to cycle around the island, and with these e-bikes it's so easy. I was afraid that I was going to be fit for it, but these bikes are like a rocket. You just have to pedal a little bit and you're flying. So right now we are heading to the wormhole and some other name that is in Irish, so don't make me pronounce it. But this island is absolutely beautiful. So Shane has just got
Seagull shit on me.
yeah. Lovely. We were literally just cycling around here, and then I hear him going like, "What?"
You just come out of nowhere.
Well, at least it wasn't your face. So this fort is the biggest one out of the 7 forts in the Aran Islands, and it was built in the 1100s BC and used until the 800 AD. Yeah, and it's impressive that it's still standing, and just the way that the fact that they had houses built in here and this was used as a fort, and the views they had, oh my god, this place is amazing.
You could live here.
Oof, I don't know, it'd be very blowy.
After leaving 𝗙𝗡𝗟𝗟𝗡𝗟𝗏, it was time to go and collect our bikes and make our way to our next stop. These bikes make it so easy to get around this island. Our next stop is the wormhole, which is a perfectly rectangular pool naturally carved into the rocks.
So we've just made it to the wormhole, which is probably Ireland's natural pool with the best views, and also I'd say it's one of the ones that is hardest to get to because, oh my god, they walk to it.
So the weather has taken a turn for the worse. It was sunny all day and now it's hailstones. It's classic Ireland.
So we are here at the souvenir shop. And I think I'm gonna get myself a tin whistle, and I'm gonna learn how to play a tin whistle for the rest of the trip. What do you think?
It's going to annoy the life out of me.
Encouraged. Please don't hate me. I'm gonna be practicing this in the van.
We're going to be driving it, and it's going to be...
So we're gonna get our bikes and leave them back?
Yep,
Because the ferry is in like half an hour.
Yep, so
Let's
let's go get our ferry.
So our fuel gauge has just stopped working and we've pulled in here and Shane is taking the dash apart and he's trying to fix it. We've got off the ferry and yeah, Fergus just decided that the fuel gauge is not gonna work. At least today. Maybe tomorrow is back working. Why, like? As you guys know, we've been on the road for over a week now and we've built up quite a bit of washing, especially after Shane's incident with that seagull in the Aran Islands. To do our washing on the road, we use the 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗡𝗟𝗪 wash bag, which is also this week's video sponsor. So let's get some washing done. The 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗡𝗟𝗪 wash bag is a must-have item for any van lifer or backpacker because it allows you to wash your clothes while you're traveling, saving you so much money and time. And also, it's so small. So the way the bag works, it has an internal washboard, which is how it washes the clothes so efficiently. So all you have to do is to add your dirty clothes, put a bit of soap, add some water and get scrubbing. So once you've added your clothes, soap and water, it's time to fold the bag back, nice and tight, like this. And once it's folded, you clip to secure the bag, and with this little air valve, we're gonna let all the air out. So now we just have to scrub our clothes from 30 seconds to 3 minutes, depending on how many clothes you have and how dirty they are. Once you're done screwing, you just have to get rid of your dirty water. We're gonna empty ours down the sink. It's very important not to empty your water close to a water source, so let's just empty it down the sink here. Now that the clothes are nice and clean, we just have to hang them up to dry. We are gonna leave a link down in the description so you can check the 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗡𝗟𝗪 bag out. Good morning. So we have spent a very quiet night here at 𝗦𝗨𝗣𝗣𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗦, and after the bike yesterday we were absolutely wrecked. So we literally came here, did a bit of work and went to bed because that bike takes a lot out of you, and it was an e-bike.
The boat takes a lot out of you too.
Yeah, oh, the boat was so relaxing. We both fell asleep on the way back. So we are putting some diesel in the hopes that the fuel hand is going to start working magically. So fingers crossed that for some reason that stopped working and it will be back working after putting some diesel in.
Hand hasn't moved. The fuel's after working!
Yay!
So we were driving and next thing the temperature hand went to the roof, but nothing's overheating, so I unclipped the pins at the back of it, put it back in. Oh, Fergie! Shane is being the biggest tourist in Galway today, and he's got a pin to match his Santiago walk pin. So on that side you have the yellow arrow of Camino de Santiago, and on this one you have Ireland. Soon that will be on it.
I can teach him a couple of tricks. Yeah, it doesn't sound great. Our next stop are the cliffs of Moher, but this time we are going a different way. We've been to the visitor centre before and it's currently €12 per adult, but this time we have parked here at this car park, which is €5 to park for the two of us, well, for just a car, and then it's a 15-minute walk to the cliffs and you see them from another angle, and it's another part of the cliffs of Moher. So let's see what this side is like. We actually think that the views from this side are nicer because when you're in the visitor center you're like literally on top of the cliff, but from here you get a better view and there's less of crowd. So I think that if I'm coming back, I'd be coming back this way. What do you think?
Absolutely, and it's only €5.
Yeah, it's a bit longer of a walk, but I mean, cheaper, less crowd, better view. This week has been full of adventure, so make sure to subscribe to the channel to join us next week as we cross from Clare to Kerry on a ferry and we find some hidden gems in this stunning county. Bye!